Welcome back. So tonight's project, which of course probably won't get done tonight, is back on the Cub Cadet XT2. So I was out mowing the other day and the belt slipped off. It actually slipped underneath, and I just got to looking at it, and I think this entire assembly obviously is loose. I think the bolt is missing. Not real easy to tell from this angle, but down in here ought to be, I think it's this hole, there's a bolt. And if you saw my other video where I did all my maintenance and repairs on this, you remember that this moved up and down quite a bit. And as a part of my fix, or what I thought was a fix, I tightened that bolt down so that the play back and forth up and down wasn't as much. And I think what happened is whatever was holding that bolt and the nut, which comes out from underneath the deck, in place, maybe some Loctite or something that I missed, with that gone, that bolt just worked its way out. It took about a month and a half, but it worked its way out. So I think we got to take the deck apart, or take the deck off again. I'll go ahead and get these brackets out and take a look at this so I can get my grass mowed. All right, so I need to get the belt off the front pulley attached to the engine. I don't want to undo this bracket, so we're just going to pull this off this way and hopefully give that enough, or reduce the tension enough. Well, you know what? I still got to pull it off. I think that's a 5/16. I'll be back. There we go. If you recall from before, sits down in there, it's hard to see. That goes through the deck, and then the nut goes under there. And that was the piece in the previous video where I thought maybe it had started to wear a little bit, and that's what was causing this to move. So I need to first go back and look at my video of that and see what is actually supposed to be here. And then I need to see if I can get that replicated, because it's not just the bolt. All right, so it's Sunday. Farm store's not open, so I think I came up with a solution that will get me back in operation here. So I bought a nice big 2-inch washer, which is going to sit in here, and hopefully with the bolt going through it, not move a whole lot. Put a couple of washers, just fit just about right. I can shove them down in there, and I think if I tighten them up, that'll compress enough to keep the bolt from moving around. And I think that'll mean that I'll be able to see underneath and tell if it starts to back out. So I'm just gonna have to make a habit of looking under there. If it does, I'll throw some Loctite on it. I can't find my Loctite right now, and I'm not going back to the store. So we're gonna try this. This will still rotate. It's still got that little play. I don't think I'm gonna worry about it. Let's hook it up and see if it actually works. Belt is on, good to go. All right, not fighting with those old clips. I'm gonna find some that are about the same. It's a little thick. And we're gonna put new ones on. All right, so grass is cut. Everything worked great. Everything's still connected as it should be. All my pins, the new one stayed in. Belt's looking good. Everything did what it was supposed to. I think I will continue to check this probably every mow or two, just to make sure. I may fix it, put some Loctite on it. I think that'll be it for this one. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.